Hello everyone, this is Amrita A from Computer Science and Engineering Department. Subject Web Technology and its Applications. Subject code 18CS63. Topic is how to create a table using HTML easily with an example. So, this topic deals with HTML tables. So, we'll be seeing detailed examples of how to create a table using HTML. So, we should have a basic knowledge about HTML. That is prerequisites that we should have before entering this topic. So HTML, Hypertext Markup Language. It is abbreviated as Hypertext Markup Language. So HTML is a standard markup language for web pages. You can develop web pages and edit web pages using this HTML. This is the basic markup language that is used to create web pages. So with HTML, you can create your own websites. So we'll be seeing about tables. Tables is the main topic that we're going to see today. So HTML tables allow web developers to arrange data into rows and columns. Example, we can see this. There's a table given here. It is arranged neatly in rows as well as in columns. So this is what we will be creating. These kind of tables can be created using HTML. So we'll see how that is done. So HTML tables. So we have three elements in a HTML table. They are table cells, table rows, and table header. So table cells is we all know that this tags are used to represent elements in HTML. So this TD represents table cells. TD is nothing but table data. Table rows is represented in this tags as TR. Table header as th between these tags. So we can see here there's a example given here: column, column 1, column 2, column 3. So these are the rows: row 1, cell 1, row 1, cell 2. So this is the exact thing we'll be doing. We can create this using these elements. So let's see table cell. Each table cell is defined by a tags. In between tags we have TD. So it has a opening tag and a closing tag. So TD stands for table data. We'll see the example. So we have to mention when we are creating a table in HTML, we have to in between these tags we should mention table. So this is the keyword that we'll be mentioning, table. So TR is the row, table row. So in between these rows, we'll be having columns. So table data, that is we'll give three datas, okay, ML, Tobias, and Linux. So the output is this. We can see there is it is displayed neatly, just one row with three columns. We'll see table rows. Each table rows start with tr between tags and end with tr, that is a backslash between these tags. TR stands for table rows. So example, we'll see table. We start with a table element before to create a HTML table. So TR, in between the table rows, we insert this table data as the columns. So we can see there are two rows and two columns. Sorry, three columns. Three columns, 1, 2, and 3. So, and then we'll be, the first row is given here in between TR, ML, Tobias, and Linux. And then we go to the second row. Second row is having 16, 14, and 10. As you can see, the output is given here. It is neatly implemented. So we'll see the third element. So third element is table header. It's actually optional. If you want to give a heading to the table, we can give this. It is declared using th. Instead of td, we give th. In between the tags, we give th. Th stands for table header. Sometimes you want your cells to be table header cells. In those cases, you use th tag instead of td. Example, let's see the first row. Let the first row be table header cells. So table, inside the table tag, table element, we have the table rows. Here we have the table header saying person 1, person 2, person 3. And then in the second row we have ML, Theobias and Linux. And in the third row we have 16, 14 and 10. As we saw earlier, these two are same, but in between these th tags, we have person 1, person 2, person 3. So this represents the first row. This is the heading. So this is actually the heading. This is actually the heading, and this is the first row, the second row. So we end these table using this closing backslash, and as we start with a tr, and we also have to end with a closing brackets. So this is it, and we have the third row as 16, 14 and 10. This is the second row, and this is the starting header, table header that we represent. Thank you.